Imagine a land where nature looks like it was crafted for a movie. Towering mountains rising straight from deep blue waters, glaciers shaped over thousands of years, islands glowing under the midnight sun, and skies ignited by northern lights. Today, we're traveling to a country so breathtaking, many call it the most beautiful place on Earth. This is Norway. We'll explore Norway's most cinematic landscapes, fjords, cliffs, Arctic islands, dramatic roads, and ancient glaciers. Stay with me until the end and decide for yourself. Is this the most beautiful country in the world? Our journey starts with the iconic Norwegian fjords, long narrow inlets carved by glaciers and filled with crystal blue water. The steep cliffs tower so high they turn even the largest ships into tiny specks. Mist hangs over the mountains, creating a mysterious, almost magical atmosphere. Every moment here feels like stepping inside a postcard come to life. Nærøyfjord is one of the narrowest fjords in Norway, but it's also one of the most breathtaking. The cliffs here rise almost vertically from the water, creating a canyon-like experience on the sea. Boats glide between towering walls, surrounded by silence broken only by birds and distant waterfalls. It's a place where nature feels overwhelmingly pure. We traveled to Trolltunga, one of the most iconic rock formations in the world. This stone ledge stretches boldly over a 700-meter drop, offering an unmatched panoramic view of mountains and lake below. Standing at the edge feels like floating above the world. The wind, the height, the silence, everything creates a moment you never forget. It's one of Norway's ultimate cinematic landscapes. Pulpit Rock is another legendary Norwegian viewpoint. This massive natural platform sits high above the Nærøyfjord, with sheer cliffs that drop straight down from the top. The fjord stretches endlessly into the mountains, creating a view that captures Norway's wild spirit. The simplicity of the rock's shape against the dramatic landscape makes it feel surreal. Far above the Arctic Circle, the Lofoten Islands look like a dream floating on the ocean. Jagged mountain peaks rise from turquoise waters. Small red fishing cabins create splashes of color along the coastline. In summer, the midnight sun bathes the islands in golden light all night long. In winter, snow covers the mountains, and the sky becomes a stage for the northern lights. Lofoten is a perfect blend of calm, beauty, and raw nature. Norway's second largest island, Senja, is often called the Hidden Lofoten. Dramatic cliffs plunge into the sea, and winding coastal roads reveal new views around every corner. Senja's landscapes feel untouched and wild, perfect for travelers who want cinematic scenery without the crowds. Its peaks, lakes, and rugged coastline make it one of Norway's most underrated gems. The Atlantic Ocean Road is one of the world's most dramatic drives. Stretching across islands and curving over stormy seas, this road seems to glide on the water itself. Waves crash against the bridges, sending spray into the air, especially on windy days. Driving here feels like moving through a scene from an action film, thrilling, beautiful, and unforgettable. And now, we look to the sky. The Northern Lights, the Aurora Borealis, might be the single most magical reason people fall in love with Norway. Green, purple, and pink lights swirl above the Arctic landscapes, shifting like living energy. Watching the aurora feels ancient and spiritual, something beyond words. It's a reminder that the natural world still holds mysteries we can't fully explain. Norway is not only mountains and fjords, it's also home to continental Europe's largest glacier, Jostedalsbreen. With blue ice stretching across the land like frozen waves, the glacier feels like another world. Crevasses and ice caves glow with deep shades of blue, and the stillness is almost otherworldly. Walking near a glacier reminds you of nature's immense power and slow, patient force. As we near the end of our journey, we arrive in Bergen, a colorful historic city surrounded by mountains and sea. Its wooden houses, narrow streets, and scenic harbor create a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Bergen is known as the gateway to the fjords, and its charm perfectly balances Norway's wild landscapes. It's a peaceful place to reflect on the beauty of everything we've explored. Outro narrator. So now we've traveled across towering fjords, legendary cliffs, Arctic islands, glowing skies, ancient glaciers, and vibrant cities. Norway's landscapes are powerful, peaceful, dramatic, and cinematic, all at the same time. But the question remains, is Norway the most beautiful country in the world? Let me know what you think in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more cinematic travel adventures. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring.